Yo, what's going on? I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better so you can create a life you want to live through tutorials and education around YouTube marketing, online business, and learning valuable skills. I upload weekly videos to help YouTubers, creatives, and entrepreneurs get better at YouTube marketing, online business, and more. If you want to discover how to build a successful YouTube channel or online business and build a life around your passion, this is the channel for you. If you're not willing to grind and put in the work it takes to be better, don't even bother subscribing. This channel is for ambitious go-getters only. Consistent competitive complainers, negative Nancys, and excuse dealers should stay away. But wait. Who am I and why should you listen to this random black guy in a robe? Well, that's a reasonable question, if not a little bit racist, but as I said before, my name's Jay Cartere. I'm a YouTube certified marketer and now I live a life of ultimate freedom. I get to wake up every day and do what I want. But this wasn't always the case because back in 2016, I was very close to becoming homeless. I had less than $1,000 in my bank account and times were tough. Jacket potato and rice and gravy were the main meals on the menu for me, and that ain't great. Let me just say that. YouTube was not paying my bills. Things were not looking up whatsoever. My family, friends, relatives would tell me that I should go and get a real job, and I honestly thought about quitting more than a few times. But fast forward to now and things start to get interesting. I've been able to grow my YouTube channel to over 35,000 subscribers, over 400,000 views a month, and most importantly, I've been able to create a full-time income while doing it, over $3,000 per month by building real businesses online. Now, I want to share my years of experience, experiments, and research to help you do the same thing. I want to help you create a life you love, shooting out of your bed in the morning to do something that you're excited about, like I'm able to do now, instead of reluctantly dragging yourself out of bed when your alarm goes off to slog through another day in that 9-to-5 job that's unfulfilling and unenjoyable. If I can do it in a robe, in poverty, in my bedroom, you can do it too. There really are no excuses. So that is my long story short. I also make music and play games, so you'll see some of my music and game reviews on the channel as well. But that's like side content. That's my personal stuff that I'll be putting out. The main stuff will be around YouTube marketing, online business, and helping you get to a point where you can do what you enjoy to do for a living. This channel is not for you if you want to get rich and famous quickly. There will be no get rich quick schemes or anything of that sort. This is real actionable advice. If you're not a grinder, not willing to put in the work, there's really nothing that anyone can do for you. I want to help you build a long-term business that you love and market it effectively so that people know who you are and they know what you do. So come and join the Robe Gang if this sounds like something that's interesting to you. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video that could change your life. Then leave a comment down below and say hello because I do reply to my comments. I'll see you in the comment section and in the next video. Peace out.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you.